What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 8 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am super stoked with how well my collection is coming along. I am equally stoked to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Southeast Asia and is called Macassar Ebony. So for now on in this series, I'm going to be doing something new, and I'm going to be rating and reviewing the wood and pen in each episode. And I'll be doing this review based off of 4 categories. The categories are price, workability, aesthetic, and the 4th will be an R score. R is for Rasmussen, and this score is just going to be the ranking I give this pen as for where it falls as my favorite pen within the collection. So to start out with the first factor, price. For price, Macassar Ebony gets a 0 out of 10. It is extremely expensive. It is so expensive for a few reasons. Firstly, the tree grows very slowly and in a very limited habitat in Indonesia. Secondly, Macassar Ebony has been a favorite among woodworkers for centuries, and the demand for it has caused the supply to be depleted at a rate much quicker than it can be replaced. For these reasons, this wood would not be the choice if you're looking to make or buy a wood piece on a budget. Going into workability, Macassar, sometimes called golden ebony, was extremely difficult to work with. It is very dense and very hard, and it felt like it was making all of my machines dull by the end of the day. For workability, Macassar gets a 1.5 out of 10. As for aesthetics, this wood is absolutely incredible, and I don't feel like I can even adequately express how gorgeous this wood is. I love the complementing brown and black colors. Everything about the aesthetics of this wood is absolutely amazing, and I was completely blown away with how this pen turned out. So for aesthetics, Macassar gets a perfect 10 out of 10. And now it's time for the final category, the R score. At the making of this video, there are 7 other pens in my collection, and after some long and serious deliberation, Macassar Ebony takes the cake, and I am giving the number 1 ranking to as my favorite pen in the entire collection. The look of this pen is just absolutely incredible, and I just can't say it enough. It was incredibly difficult to work with, but the finished product is worth all the blunt tools that I have in my shop now. It was really fun to make this pen today, and by giving it the number 1 ranking as of right now, I just know it's always going to have a special place in my collection. So thanks for sticking around and watching this episode in my series. Here's all the pen blanks that I still need to turn. So like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.